Hello, and welcome to the Spatial Model tutorial number 6. The current video is about the pairs panel. After you finish this video, you will be familiar with all the components of the pair panel. Note that the pair panel is informative only. No setup fields are included in this panel. Reach the pairs panel by selecting the third tab on the Spatial Model screen. If the screen is not active, you will have to wait a few seconds for it to update. The Pairs screen contains a view for all the selected pairs. It is displayed in the Pairs tab. The panel consists of a mosaic of squares. Each contains information about a single pair. At the top of the panel, there is the pair's name. The second field contains the model time. It is the time of the last record that reached the destination station in the pair. The field after it contains the state of the model. Models will usually be in run mode. If there is a model failure in this field, the word error will appear. In this case, the contents of the model's log should be checked. Another option is that the model is in pause or edit mode. The current values field contains the measurement for the destination station in the pair. This is the measurement made according to the time tag mentioned earlier. The predicted value contains the model's predicted measurement value at the destination station. The prediction is a result of three factors. 1. The value at the source station according to the delay time. 2. The delay time. 3. The learning process made combining the differences of the stations according to the measurement time regime. The four squares that appear to the right of the predicted value indicate fault situations. As already explained, there are four possible faults. 1. Exceeding the spatial boundaries. 2. Excessive difference between the predicted value and the actual measurement value. 3. Ineffective spatial boundaries. 4. Lack of data. Depending on the type of fault, the appropriate sign will light up. The failure, in this case, will be forwarded to the EDS system. An explanation of the shown contact in the EDS system appears in another chapter of the training program. The following fields show the user boundaries of the data controlled by the pair within the target station model. These limits are, for the most part, the regulatory limits of measurement. Next are the statistical boundaries. These boundaries are calculated for 95% of records. Next to them, shown as a percentage, are the reduction that the statistical limits perform to the user limits. This parameter enables us to estimate how much the statistical limits improve control capability. The final line shows the spatial boundaries, which are the expected boundaries for measurements by the spatial model at the target station. Typically, when the spatial model acts as we do, the spatial restrictions reduce this value to 1/3 or 1/4 of the statistical boundaries. This action further enhances the control capability with the spatial model. The bottom field is the update time field. This field indicates when the current pair was calculated in the spatial model. We hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments, please update in our website.